Welcome to Auto Clearing Collision Center, educational videos we like to call BodyShop101. Today we're going to talk about a word that shows up every once in a while during a repair, and that word I'm talking about is called Betterment. SGI, as well as all insurance company, may charge Betterment to a wearable part that is replaced during an accident. The easiest explanation to explain this word is with a tire. So let's say you've been in an accident and you've destroyed your tire. That tire had 50% wear on it. So in other words, it's half worn out. After the accident, of course, you get a brand new tire. So since you've gained from that accident, you pay for that 50%. So that word, an explanation, is probably the best way to explain Betterment. Now, SGI has helped you out in basically saying that Betterment is only applied if the total charges exceed $100 before tax. So of course, if the tire is $200, you would pay 50% Betterment, so you would be subject to a $100 plus tax that you would pay on top of your deductible. There are several different wearable parts in your car, but most commonly it's tires, suspension, and exhaust. They do not put it in most cases on other areas of your car. They can also put it on previous damaged parts of your car. An example of that would be your front bumper. You had a crack on the left side, never got it repaired, got hit on the right side, and the bumper's destroyed and needs to be replaced. Because you had pre-existing damage to that bumper and you are now getting a new bumper from SGI, you would be subject or may be subject to Betterment charges. Now again, SGI does step up, and again, in most cases, they would only put Betterment on the part. They would still cover the full refinish time, in other words, the painting time, and of course, all the labor that's involved with replacing that front bumper. There's many different situations, too many to list in a short video. I just wanted to explain a little bit of the word Betterment, and if it does come across in one of your estimates, you have a clearer understanding of what it means and why it is applied. Simply put, if you gain from an accident with pre-existing damage or wearable parts, you may be subject to Betterment charges. And again, that's not just SGI, that's any insurance companies that deal with auto body repair. Any other questions regarding to Betterment, of course, you can always give us a call. We always discuss that at time of estimate and at time of repair. So there's no hidden unknowns or you're paying a deductible, all of a sudden we got to tell you, you're paying extra charges in Betterment. We like to prepare you for that and know that all the information is there for you, and of course, explanations of it all. Again, thanks for watching our video. Hopefully it helped to understand that nasty word of Betterment. Please like and share this video so we can help educate everyone to understand how easy it is and the different scenarios that you may run into during your repairs at Auto Clearing Collision Center. Thanks again, and during this tough time, of course, take care out there.